Hi, and welcome to the Public Health Crafters Corner. Today is Wildfire Smoke Edition, and I'm going to show you how you can make a do-it-yourself air filter using a box fan and a filter and a bungee cord. It's super easy. So I've got here a box fan. You want to make sure you can tell what the front and the back is. So this is the front, here's the back. You can see the feet of it, hold it up like that, and the cord comes out. So that's the back. And I've got an air filter here. And so when you look for an air filter, you want to look for one that's rated MERV 13 because that is rated to actually filter out the smoke particles that we want to make sure that our air is clear. So all you need to do is take this air filter, look to see there's arrows on it. And so the arrows should be pointing towards the back of the fan. So once you know where the arrows are, all you have to do is place it on the back of the fan and then take a bungee cord and make sure you've got a big bungee cord or use more than one so it doesn't spring and knock you in the face or something with the hook. So that's all there is to it. So all I need to do now is plug it in and turn it on. And it's going to suck in the air and filter it through the filter. It's going to give you clean air inside. So you want to make sure that you keep your windows and your doors shut when you're using it. Put it in the room that you're in most. Make sure that that air is the cleanest wherever you are. And make sure not to run it too long. Run it for at least 10 to 15 minutes to get the air clean. But you want to give it a break every now and then so it doesn't overheat. And that's all there is. Signing out from the Crafters Corner.